So starting the test drive in this Bronco Sport here with the 3-cylinder, it's a pretty strong engine in my opinion, just in terms of what all you get. Now obviously it's not the 2-liter turbocharged 4, but it has plenty of get up and go with 181 horsepower. And I honestly, I don't want to say I like how this one drives better, but this one makes more sense in a vehicle like this. I'm used to having these 1.5 liter turbocharged 3-cylinders in the Rogue. I'm trying to think of another one, but especially in the Rogue there, I'm used to having that. So having it in this makes sense. And it's almost like the 2-liter 4-cylinder is too big, but it is fun to have that big of an engine in something like this. But I mean, a lot of standard engines aren't enough, and you want to upgrade to the bigger ones, but I feel like most people won't be disappointed with this 3-cylinder turbocharged engine. Now in terms of ride quality, the ride in these is actually pretty good. I feel like these tires can be a tad bit loud, but they're really not once you get them rolling. But when they do hit hard pavement or uneven pavement, it does kind of stick out. But just been driving in normal mode here. I'm going to put it in a sport and then just give it a little pull coming out of this corner. And I love the blow-off valve sound you get from this turbocharger as well. It sounds very, very aggressive. Now, I'm not gonna give it too much getting on the interstate here, but I'll give it something. So it's easy to get this thing up to speed without having to put your foot to the floor. I'm going to put it into eco mode now and then just set the cruise on. So again, ride quality is pretty good on the interstate here. And I'm just impressed with how this thing drives, how off-road capable it is. Really just all you get for this price point. So if you're looking for something kind of to rival some of the Subarus in terms of off-road capability, definitely make sure you check out this 2024 Ford Bronco Sport.